Hey, it's Bruce from the Joinery Couch. I'm here with Ben and Brett from Cabinet Systems. And we were just talking about lean over and over and over again.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've been doing lean here started lean about 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And there were some pretty major sort of spin-off effects that happened pretty quickly. You can summarize in 2 minutes what they were?
Yeah.
Well, I guess probably the biggest thing we've got out of the whole lean, of understanding the lean process is, we thought we had things ticking over.
Nailed down, yeah.
Nailed down. Like, I guess the physical flow in the factory is pretty sound now. But once we got into the lean, I guess, mode, we got our heads around it. We realised that we've got
A lot more to
There's
do.
a big step, big.
Yeah.
I guess it's a bit of a humbling experience, I guess. But, just when you think you know it all. Not to say that we did, but we thought we were going alright. But it's
It just opens your eyes to how much more you can do. Really.
Yeah.
So,
and I guess a lot of that is things that it's not big infrastructure changes. It's more processes and procedures and changing the culture.
Yeah.
On the factory floor, and developing how we communicate. It's probably a big thing as well.
Yeah. And some of the cultural changes I think were important. We just had a quick conversation about this.
yeah.
And this is something that you've said to me, which just still really excites me, in that how quickly your team picked up on it. Because quite often we have to work hard to break through that cultural resistance. But your guys have taken it on pretty quickly, haven't
It
they?
was almost instantaneous after that first workshop that we did with boys, and the change was like same day basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they went away with all kinds of ideas, and now they're putting their hand up willingly.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. Which is good. You know, some of our longest employees would never talk up at a meeting,
Yeah.
and now they're the first ones to speak.
Yeah.
So
And when we first started working together and talking about the flow through your factory, your flow was pretty good, but we were still seeing build-up of parts. But now you've created this amazing system that just creates this flow through your factory.
yep.
And how much do you think that you've improved your output of your factory just by creating? We're now really at one piece flow in your factory.
Yeah.
Right? So by the time it gets to the assembly bench, you're one cabinet, one cabinet, one cabinet.
Yep.
Yeah, one complete cabinet, doors.
So we were pretty efficient before,
Yeah.
but now just by getting to this one piece flow, we're probably 20%.
Near enough to. Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was a big day today. We're starting to implement lean. We did an audit. What are the jumping off points from today? What are the action steps after today?
I think there's probably quite a few. I think probably formalising those comments and open points that we've established, getting them into a proper project structure.
Actionable projects.
Actionable
Yeah.
projects,
Yeah.
yeah. So not just talking about it, doing it, and giving the guys the tools to do it, rather than us having to do it ourselves.
Fantastic.
Yeah. I suppose that's the big thing with lean, is actually following through and not just, dropping off after a month or two of doing it and saying, it's too hard.
Yeah.
It's a commitment, and it's a commitment both ways from us and from them. So we had a toolbox talk last Friday about it, and just asked them whether they want to commit wholly and solely to this, or whether they,
Okay.
think they're not interested in doing it.
And they all put their hand in.
And they'll put their hand up and say that they're interested in doing it, following it through. So that gives us even more drive to make it work, and it's hence why we're up at midnight looking at lean videos and
Going
and everything we can. So yeah.
And I think the other thing too is that the guys are realising that the changes we've made to date, which hasn't been, I guess, in a structure, it's just been Brett's and my thought processes that are getting articulated in one form or another. I think the guys are realising there's not like a sinister motive behind what we're trying to achieve out there, that we're not trying to do them out of a job, we're not trying to catch them out or blame them. It's actually about making their jobs easier.
Yeah.
And being more efficient with the same amount of effort.
Yeah.
So I think, like with yourself coming in as a third party and actually verbalising or help verbalise that and create a system to show that that's what we're trying to achieve, they're feeling a bit more relaxed about it.
Yeah.
And a lot more positive about it, that we're not trying to blame people by doing these things. We're actually trying to, I guess, criticise our processes.
To secure their future employment by making your business more
exactly,
sustainable.
and that's the way we've promoted it to the guys, is the more efficient we can be, the more sustainable we can be. Which is
More competitive we can be.
Yeah, yep. That way we can keep on top of these ongoing costs that are there, and make it worthwhile, make it viable for everyone.
So the one thing that I noticed from your team here is everybody actually seems to enjoy working here. Now, I don't know if it's always been like that, but certainly my involvement with your team has been very, very positive. There's not a whole lot of negativity, so it's...
Yeah, we've got a good bunch of blokes down there.
It definitely hasn't always been like that. I mean, you always get people with certain things going on in their lives, I guess, outside of work, which can influence their behaviour at work, which it can for all of us, I guess. But I think it's, at the end of the day, Brett and I come to makers, we're not psychiatrists, or we haven't got a university degree in social management or whatever it may be, but the biggest thing is us getting the tools to be able to communicate
and build that team.
Environment. I mean,
build the culture in the team.
it's a hard mindset to get out of. At the end of the day, as a boss, you just
do it done.
Just get it done. But once you actually start analysing your own processes and looking at yourself rather than trying to look at blaming someone, it does change your mindset. You tend to look at things a little bit differently.
So we've taken fully on board the theory of if you improve the process, you improve your people.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, thanks for doing that.
No worries.